When the World Football Congress has said that TQL Stadium is the best soccer stadium on the planet, I think there's credibility that comes who were involved, who are the key leaders involved in getting that stadium done to such a high standard, and that's Atomic Data. When we began planning FC Cincinnati's new stadium, we, of course, were in the business of hiring an owner's rep who could represent us to work with the architects and the construction company who was going to build the stadium.
FC Cincinnati needed somebody to come in and be the owner's rep for all things technology. So being at the table, helping us make the best decisions to build a stadium, not just for today, but a stadium for the future.
As we grew and as we launched, it was very important that we had some real high quality professional experience to go alongside us in the IT world. And Atomic Data have a great reputation within MLS and in the sports world.
We first met Atomic Data up at Minnesota United. Atomic Data had done their stadium, so clearly they had experience with Major League Soccer, soccer buildings, and they had the high-level endorsement of the owner of Minnesota United. He literally said, "Jeff, you'll be making a big mistake if you don't hire Atomic Data." We had so many challenges when we were building TQL Stadium, and it was essential to have a partner as advanced as Atomic Data.
While we navigated many challenges as we were building the stadium during the pandemic, we actually were able to benefit financially long term because Atomic Data is really forward thinking when it comes to what technology we can add. We've got Wi-Fi 6 capabilities in our stadium, and we've seen tremendous adoption of our Wi-Fi throughout all of our seasons. In 2023, we serviced over 130,000 clients and had about a 40% adoption. The Wi-Fi product is there and it works, and that's because of Atomic Data and their ability to build products that not just last for today, but for the future.
We are not a 70,000 seat NFL building. We are a 26,000 capacity soccer specific stadium. We don't have TV timeouts galore. Our points of sale are going to be very busy pre-game, halftime, and then maybe as people are leaving. So there's very specific needs, and the fact that Atomic Data had real experience building a state-of-the-art soccer-specific stadium. In addition, they had the ability to help us think through how we were going to operate the building. And then not only the building, the stadium, but also our training center, also our corporate office. And how would we sync up the three different campuses to make sure that everyone can operate efficiently and effectively. And so Atomic Data can assess the needs of each of our employees and make sure they have everything that they need to be successful. And then when we may have challenges throughout the week or over the course of the year, of course, our first call is to an Atomic Data employee who's going to help be that problem solver for us.
IT is everything these days in 2024. It's so important that you have quality IT because it impacts every facet of our club, from the supporters to the players to the coaches to all our employees. So it's vital in the modern game of soccer that you have high-level IT, or else we'd be left behind with our competitors. Atomic Data really support our technical staff in all aspects, and it was that customer care that we felt immediately with Atomic Data that was really beneficial for us.
We knew that we had a trusted partner in Atomic Data. They're certainly an expert in Major League Soccer. If there is ever an issue with the league or a league requirement that's getting rolled out from a technology standpoint, we know Atomic Data has our best viewpoints at heart. That's the greatest thing about Atomic Data, is they really are an extension of FC Cincinnati, representing our interests, the interests of our ownership group and our leadership team. Every decision they made was based on the financials of our club and based on our business needs. When they show up to the conversation, they're representing FC Cincinnati and wearing our crest.
And I'm confident that our success on the field is tied into our great partnership with Atomic Data.
The experience, I think, is unrivaled. There's also, in addition to that experience, there's what I would call a little bit of a more personal touch. They're not some corporate behemoth with thousands of employees of which you, the owner, are just one more project towards their bottom line. When it comes to the technology and what's going to go into the building and how we're going to operate as a business, I just have the peace of mind to know, Atomic Data's got that. And what's more important than peace of mind, and letting me then focus on the other challenges of the day.